So just wanted to give you an update on the Micah Home Project. We are on our way towards completion, and electrical and roofing is happening at this point. We're at about mid-August of 2019, and soon afterward we'll begin drywall and finish work on the inside. We hope to be done by the end of October, first part of November. With funding well secured, we're in a good position to finish the project and have been for some time. We're in the sweet spot of the construction season, and so it's a bit of just waiting our turn to have our general contractors come out and do their piece. And so along the way now we're back up and moving with roofing happening now, and electrical is nearing completion. But we have a couple of really important events right around the corner for supporters of this project. September 13th, we're going to have a Chamber of Commerce Business Before Hours event that's being hosted right on site with the UCC Longmont Church and the Micah Home Project. We'll be offering tours on site to see the spaces. And shortly thereafter, towards the end of October, first part of November, we hope to have our grand opening, and we're going to make a big deal and really celebrate that grand opening. So as we get into the fall season, and you know, we talk about thanks and Thanksgiving in fall, we're very grateful and very thankful for all the effort and all the support we've had from so many different contributors to make this all happen. And I think the most important thing that we keep in mind is very soon 6 families will be having a place to call home long-term in a stable, friendly, affordable housing project. So again, thank you to everyone that has supported the project thus far.